Hello, this is Brian again. Well, welcome to the next clip of hiking Circle Mountain, San Gabriel Mountains, San Bernardino National Forest. Yeah, this part of the San Gabriel Mountains is in the San Bernardino National Forest. We are east of Wrightwood, and the most of Wrightwood is in San Bernardino County, and this is actually the San Bernardino National Forest. A couple miles up to the west, it becomes the Angeles National Forest. I know some breaks in the clouds, and that's looking over towards Blue Ridge, I believe. It's so socked in, it's hard to tell anything right now. So I've been on this use trail / fire break for a cool minute now, and I notice the grade is starting to flatten, and the roundness of the hill, the roundness of the top looks like it's getting closer. So hopefully that means I'm nearing the summit. This was a nice little thigh burner. This will work out your glutes. To get your heart rate going. It's a good little hike. It's not a long one. I haven't been hiking that long, but I've been kind of slow, catching my breath a lot because I'm not hiking that much. My last hike was on April 4th, which was 2 weeks ago to the day, and that was a very small one in the San Bernardino Mountains near Cactus Flats. So here, lots of flannel bush up here. Lots and lots and lots and lots of it. And I'm seeing a lot more poodle dog bush. There are a couple that came near the edge, right at the edge of the little use trail here on the fire break. But I didn't have to do any severely fancy footwork. But you can kind of tell the curvature of the land. This is a pretty round shaped mountain. I pointed out this mountain from East Table Mountain, which should be over that way. You won't be able to see it. I was able to point out Circle Mountain from over there, and that's even closer. That's just north of the main drag in Wrightwood. Alright. So now the grade has mellowed out considerably. So let's see. I think there's supposed to be a bench. I think there's supposed to be a bench on top of this mountain. See the Antelope Valley. You can see the clouds don't make it that far. But we're not quite at the summit yet. Elevation wise, looks like we're pretty darn close. Just a couple little hills and dales, I guess. Oh, good. Here we go. Some surviving Jeffrey pines. So let's see. Now it's time to hunt for the summit. Oh, that was just heard a bird. Startled the heck out of me if it was some kind of a bird flapping really hard. Can't see what it was. Well, I'm not really very hip to my ornithology, so I'm not really terribly knowledgeable about birds. Well, got a nice little flat stretch here. So I guess we still have a little bit of work to do. Let's see. Yeah, I'm sorry there's not much to see. We are pretty socked in. Occasionally get some little views poking out to the Antelope Valley area and the north slope of Circle Mountain. actually another small peak near here called Peak 6460, I believe. Don't think I'm going for that today. It's actually really close by. It'll be somewhere on, I believe, the west-ish side of Circle Mountain. Of course, again, I'm assuming this is going to be the top of Circle Mountain. I'm assuming this is Circle Mountain. Cool down a few degrees, especially when the clouds sucked in. Okay. Alright. See a triangle sign. Well, this has got to be it. There's a triangle sign. Awesome. Alright. I thought there was supposed to be a bench up here or something. Just looking around to see if I can see it. Could be farther off over there. Can't really see anything because the overcast just thickened up a bit again. Oh, oops. Here I am. Well, this has got to be it. Probably got to go ready to poke out the summit register and see what's up. Let's see if I can get my out. If I can get my stuff out of my backpack here. Just want to see if this is it. Sorry about the little intrusion there. This wasn't a super long hike, but it's pretty steep getting up here. Just think about that. A pretty steep use trail coming up here. I expected it though. I mean, I've